Google is celebrating Holi, the festival of colors, with a special Easter egg on its search results page for smartphones as well as the desktop website. All you have to do is search for the word Holi or Holi Festival, and then click or tap the image of 3 bowls of color that appear in the info card in the sidebar. You will be able to spread some festive color all over the page by clicking or tapping around anywhere. Random bursts of color will be splashed wherever you like, and if you run out of space, you can just keep scrolling down. The entire page is your canvas to play with. Google's trademark minimal aesthetic with loads of white space is of course the perfect background on which to splash plenty of color. Search results won't be clickable while you're playing with this special Holi Easter egg. Once you're done with the festive cheer, just click the water drop icon that appears on the page to clear your artistic expressions and return to the standard view.